Hello everyone, let's dive into this complete 4-piece training kit designed for martial arts beginners. You receive 2 Rebreakable boards with different thicknesses to help you progress through your training levels. Each board uses high-density material and soft padding to keep your hands and feet protected. Just slide the pieces back together to reuse these boards hundreds of times for consistent practice. The kit also features 2 professional kick pads filled with thick foam for excellent shock absorption. Tough leather and reinforced stitching ensure these pads handle your strongest strikes without any issues. This durable set is the ultimate way for youngsters to build power and master their technique. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.